Well, good morning. Welcome to No Strings Attached Street Ministries. And this is what it looks like at daybreak, where I'm at. Hope you're having a great day. Yeah, me in the bear van. Yeah. And we're at no other place but Walmart. Have a good one. We'll see what today brings. Well, I don't know if you can see it. Driving down the road. I looked up. There it was. Across the way up on the mountainside. If you see it or not. It's right there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Welcome to No Strings Attached Ministries. I'd like for you to meet Brent and Amy. Jamie. My little brother here has a heroin addiction and he just got freed. Just gave his life back to the Lord. And we need to pray with him and stand behind this beautiful little family and give him encouragement to go on. Bless you guys. Keep praying.